Good morning, guys. So today I'm going to talk about a watch, Seagull 1963 chronograph. Okay, so this is the box that you have. Okay, it right here is Sugas, not Seagull, but then you have to understand that Sugas is also under Seagull, right? So this is a nice box, blue box. Let's open that. Then you have another box, which is, I think it's wood. Okay. Put it there. There you go. You have this soft material on the box. Then here is the instruction manual, okay, with a bit of warranty card. Alright. So that's that. Now when you open this, so this is the Seagull watch, okay. So the watch actually comes on a NATO strap, okay, and you see here there is a leather strap provided and also a picking tool, okay. So it's the whole shebang. This is the watch, okay. So obviously this is an re-unboxing. I have opened up the plastic right there, so there you go. Let's put this aside and focus on the watch. Okay, so short history on Seagull. Alright, so Seagull was under a company called the Tianjin Watch Company. Okay, so the story goes at that 1963, the People's Liberation Army by China needs a pilot watch. Okay, so they need a pilot watch and they asked Tianjin Watch Company to make it. So I can't speak Chinese, but this one supposedly said Tianjin Watch Company. Okay, and 21 yuan means 21 jewels. Alright, okay, so this is the NATO strap. The quality is so-so, but the watch is awesome because according to the history inside this watch is a movement called the ST19. Okay, so the ST19 actually comes from Switzerland initially by a company named Venus. Before we go to that, let's go to dimensions first. Dimensions, we're looking at 38 millimeters, and then lug to lug we're looking at 47 millimeters. Of course, the height will be 12 millimeters. Lug width would be 18 millimeters. Okay, now we get to see the watch. As you can see, the dial is it's a champagne color, and the markers are in gold actually, so it really shows this vintage look. But then don't get me wrong, this is a new watch. Okay, so if you notice the hands here, both are the same. So you have many variations of this watch. So this is original also, it's just that this is a similar small hands variation, so it's more balanced. And yeah, these are the pictures. Actually you can take this out, but I'm not gonna do that first. Yeah, it's just a sticker to protect the pushers. Okay, so now let's move on to the movement, which is very interesting for me. Okay, let's open that. Okay, so as you can see, this is the movement, 1963, right? Wow, look at that movement, it's awesome, right? I really like that movement. So you can see right here, it's a column wheel, this small thing right here. Okay, because this is a column wheel chronograph. Okay, so column wheel chronograph is actually very expensive if you buy it from the Swiss, but here you can get it under the Chinese company, because the Tianjin Watch Company actually bought the equipments and the rights to produce the Venus 175 column wheel chronograph. So there you have it, a cheaper version of the column wheel chronograph. And yeah, it's very affordable. I got this for 280 Singapore dollars. I was so happy that it's original version that I paid extra $10 to the seller. And okay, let's see. You look at the blue screws, those are painted, but yeah, it looks really neat. Okay, even the Geneva, supposed Geneva striping here, it's really beautifully done. Okay, so let's try the chronograph first. So you push that. Okay, you push the pusher, and you can see it going. So I'm gonna let this go and cut it until it's the 1 minute. After 1 minute, because I want to show you this minute sub dial when it transfers this ticking, right? When it transfers to the 1 minute, it's instantaneous. So you only see that in very expensive movements, such as the Patek Philippe chronograph. Okay, so wait for it. Look at the sub dial. Yeah, see? Okay, then we push the second time to stop the stopwatch, and then we push the second pusher right here to reset. Okay, so as you can see, when the chronograph is stationary, only this second sub dial keeps ticking. The main red hands does not tick, red second hand does not tick, so it only ticks when you activate the chronograph. Now you see at the back, I'm going to show you the chronograph works at the back. So we push the first pusher. Get that? These wheels activate with the main wheel, so it brings that energy over to the main big red hands second, this one. Okay, so it brings this energy to here. Now when you disengage, you notice the wheel disengage. Okay, 1, 2, see? Then the red hand stops, and then when you reset, yep, that's how you reset, and the red hands fly back. Okay, so that's how it works. So I'm gonna do it one more time just for fun. So it's first push, second push to stop, and second pusher to reset. Okay, so as you notice, the movement is not an automatic movement. It's actually a manual wind movement because you can't see any rotor right here, right? So this watch, you just twist this clockwise. As the spring gets tighter, it's a bit harder to wind. So that's it for this Seagull 1963 reissue chronograph. Okay, I really enjoy it. This is the Sapphire version, of course. If you notice, it's slightly domed and also have a Sapphire Caseback. Look at the movement. Beautiful, right? So you can buy it at in Singapore. You can buy it with Carousel. I'll post the seller's link below, just so you can order from him if you want to. Oh, another thing, I need to wear this. Okay, let me show you how it wears on my 6 1/4 inch wrist. Okay, I have very small wrist, if you notice. There you go, that's how it looks like on my wrist. So it's really perfect for a smaller wrist because it's only 38mm in diameter. So yeah, really nice vintage vibe, and enjoy the watch because the movement is awesome, and also of course the dial is awesome. Champagne with gold, right? Blue hands and a touch of red. Okay, hope you guys enjoy this review, and do subscribe to X and and give us a like if you enjoy watch videos. Cheers!